Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. All right. Also, there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content and that I do these videos almost on a daily basis, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It means a lot for the growth of a YouTuber, so I'm thanking you in advance for helping me out to grow on this huge platform. So thumbs up. All right. It's found right underneath. It will turn blue, the number increases, and that's you helping me grow. All right, here we go. Today is the day that I got my first Boxycharm base box for the month of July. It is the cutest, tiniest box. I've received this type of size box before when I've received like one add-on. The fact that this is the entire base box in here blew my mind. So we're going to share that together here today. We're going to go through everything. This is the $25 a month box. That's free shipping. It's 5 full-size items. It's the box that you need to start with Boxycharm. It's where we all started, but it's also one that you can upgrade from. So it's, to me, the $25 box also gives you that entrance into the huge add-ons and pop-up world that is now happening every month. So this is really fun because you also get to choose one full-size item. So this box was a winner for me for one item and one item only. Everything else that I'm going to share with you, I'm kind of on the fence about, but the one item that's in here is one that I've wanted. So to me, that more than, paid for this box. Now I'm going to get to try a lot of other products that I'm really not that familiar with. Okay, so here we go. So I also get I have two separate accounts. So this one is actually from my second account. And for some reason, that one always comes a lot faster than the one that I started with Boxycharm with, when Boxycharm just had that one box. But you will see 2 base boxes on my channel, and you will see 2 premium boxes on my channel. And the reason I've kept, it started all that way because of the Luxe box. I wanted to make sure that when this started my channel, which is going to be 2 years soon, that we were able to have the base box during the Luxe months. And then right when I signed up for that second account with the base box to be able to get that base box during those Luxe months from my regular account, what ended up happening was you started customization. So the customization choices, there's always more than one. So I put one in one box and one in the other, and then I'm able to share both on my channel. And that always covers more than the cost of the box. So for the channel and for me, I share that with you guys. All right, so let's get through this. This is the Fantasy, which is so cute. This is the month, like I said, of July. So the first item is the choice item. That is the one that I could not wait to get my hands on. It took everything from me. Actually, I tried to order this directly from their website when it first came out, and it sold out. And then I never went back to it. So I'm so happy that this was an option for us. They also gave us the color choices, which I think is fantastic when it's a choice item. So this is the Alomar Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. It says add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this Complexion Trio, which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look. It's designed with a skin tone and skincare in mind. They are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish. They're vegan and cruelty-free, and this on its own, $25. So that's why I said my choice item more than covered everything else in the box, and then it's for me to explore on some new items, and those are the colors here. So you have your banana powder, which I swear by, underneath your eyes. You have a shade that you could use as a contour, and then you can warm up your skin tone here. You can also use these as eyeshadows. I'm really impressed with the Alomar brand, and where I got lucky was if it wasn't for Boxycharm, I wouldn't even know about her brand. And I own her trios, I own her lip products. I really, really enjoy her brand. So really, really excited that Boxycharm introduced me to Alomar, and that I was able to choose an Alomar product for my box. The next item that I got was from this company called Lyfestyle, but it's spelled L-Y-F-E. And it is a detox hair serum. And they're saying it is a nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir. It's made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond oils. It is a plant-based formula that stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, and it promotes healthy growth and leaves your hair shiny and soft. They're saying this is a $79 value. That's what this looks like here. I've never used serums or anything like that on my scalp. I don't really smell much from just that one quick scent. So I will definitely read more about this. And if any of you had the opportunity to try this, please share it in the comments down below. Very intrigued. All right, the next item that is in here is from this brand called MudMasky. And this is a brand that is a vitamin infused eye serum. They're saying this is a delicate skin around the eyes in 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face. It's making its first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. The eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, and it's a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin with a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect. This serum is ideal for all skin types. They're saying this is a $63 value. Wow. Okay. All right. We will definitely be playing with this. So really excited to have the opportunity to try this. Again, if you've had the opportunity to use this, please share it in the comments down below, because that's another new one for me. This one I shared with you when we got those sneak peeks, and this one intrigued me so much. This is called the Pen Pal, which is the cutest name ever. And when we were younger, and I don't know if it's still around, there used to be these pens that we used to have different colors. And now this is one that they took that same fantastic concept and they put a bunch of different products in here. So really excited to have the opportunity to try this. I think it's so unique. This is $25, and it says, for when you need a quick look or a touch up on the go, you don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you. This Pen Pal is a convenience and 4 essential products in a one easy to use, easy to stash click pen. Just click down on the color and apply for a fresh, natural look wherever you are. They're saying this is a $25 value. And I'm assuming, and they're not telling you what's what, but I think one is a highlighter, one is a lip liner, one might be for your brows, and one might be as an eyeliner. But we will definitely be playing with this and see how this works. So, okay. It feels a little dry just for a lip liner. It feels like that would pull. Let me see if they all feel the same. Yeah, they're a bit dry. So for me, if you've had the opportunity to try this, it might just be more something of a cute, gimmicky product. But if you've had the opportunity to play with this and try it, I would love to know your thoughts. So yeah, it feels very, very dry. To me, this would pull on my eyes. So this might be just, like I said, a cute, and to get it back up, you have to kind of go to the next guide to click it. See, I clicked it down and there's no way to click it back up. And so I don't know. So those are the colors there, but we'll see. Okay, the next item that we got was from Bellapierre, and this is a cosmetic liquid eyeliner. It's saying it is a jet black liquid liner with a flexible tapered tip, perfect for thin strokes or bold lines. Its long-lasting formula dries quickly for a beautiful matte finish, and that's a $20 value. I know a lot of girls like their eyeliners to be matte. I'm fine either way. And these type of bottles I usually really, really enjoy. And we'll just feel how the tip of this feels on here. And wow, that went on really, really nicely. I thought it was going to be more flexible. It's not. It's just a little bit, which is really, really nice. It gives you a lot more control when you're putting your liner on. Sometimes when it's too much of a brush, it's nice and it goes on smoothly, but you really don't have that much control. When it's a little bit stiffer with no flexibility, that's kind of hard because it ends up skipping. But when you have one like this that has a fine tip like to it, and that tip is where the brush is, and then the rest is firm, it gave me, like you saw, a completely straight line. So this I'm really, really excited to have the opportunity to try. I've had the opportunity to try a couple of products from Bellapierre and I've really enjoyed them. So this is a nice little treat that we got in the box. So that is everything that I got in my July Boxycharm base box. So let's just quickly recap. Really, you know what, I should swatch these for you guys too. This is the banana, and then the other two here. And which one did I get? I think I got the medium one, if it says it somewhere here. They're saying this one is called I'm Woke, this one is called Solterra, and this one is called Always Summer. I don't know if it's marked here anywhere. Yeah, I picked the medium tan, so I think we're fine. So that's really nice there. Yeah, the colors are perfect. Look at that. And those are them on my fingers, and those are them right there. Really, really beautiful. So that's everything that I got. So we got the Alomar medium tan trio, which is fantastic. We got this really expensive hair elixir, which I'm really excited to read more about and figure out how to use it. Like I said, share with me if you know more about it. This MudMasky eye product sounds amazing with vitamin C, is always a gift. This one, I'm not that sure. So please share with me if you've had the opportunity to play with this. And then again, eyeliners with me, I'm always willing to try, but I always love to be able to find a new one because a lot of times I have tearing on one of my eyes sometimes. So the liquid liners, I know they're a win-win. Even when I go through that, they stay where they're supposed to be. So excited to give that a try. And when it's products like this, you'll see them in future videos where I do my makeup of the days, where I get to test out a lot of the products and take it from there. And that's everything for today. So please share with me if you've gotten your box already, because I know a lot of you guys did. So please share with me. Like I said, if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, I'd love to know your feedback as well. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.